Hello, I'm Brian Tupper. I'm here with Equiparts, and we'd like to introduce a new product from Mifab called RoofGuard. RoofGuard is a solution to clogged roof drains on flat roofs. So in order to give you an idea of what the problem is, I have a sample roof drain here so I can demonstrate. So if you would picture this on top of a roof, flat roof with an indentation. On top of that roof, this roof drain, its only responsibility is to take that water off of the roof and get it away from the building. If rain were the only thing to fall on the roof, we wouldn't be having this conversation. But it's not. Flat roofs catch a lot of leaves, debris, plastic bags, anything that gets on top of that roof. So what happens when the rain comes in, it washes everything down towards this dome. And what happens is it cannot get past the dome, so this dome actually creates a water dam. The more product and the more water that comes in, it actually starts accumulating and building to a higher level. So what happens is that water cannot pass through that dam. It creates a ponding effect on top of the roof. So as that water level rises, it's got to get over that dam to get into this roof drain. So what happens is you have to have a secondary roof drain. Code dictates these get clogged enough that we have to have an overflow roof drain. And the effect of this overflow roof drain is as this water level rises, we have a dam over here, it falls over this dam and goes down into this roof drain. So these are the roof drain systems, but if you can see this, they're both domed units, and that's where the problem lies when it comes to clogging. So we have introduced a new product called RoofGuard. This is a solution to the clogged domes. As you can see, the diameter difference between the two. This is about a 12-inch diameter dome. This is closer to a 20-inch diameter dome. So you have a greater surface area. But more importantly, we're changing out the vertical drain ports to horizontal. And what that does is that allows water to seek its lowest level. Water's always going to go down. Here, the water level has to raise before it can go through the dam. On this one, all it has to do is work its way through the leaves and through the debris to go down. So this one has horizontal slots. And what that allows, picture this unit totally filled with leaves, and you get a bunch of water coming in. That water is going to run down through those leaves, through the horizontal slots, and down into the drain and drain out. If you have a bunch of leaves and you get a bunch of water at one time, it will actually float that debris up and give that water an opportunity to pass below the debris. So you can see that this is virtually uncloggable. So what we have is an easy way of installing this. Like I said, if this is your roof drain here, this unit actually glues to the membrane on the roof. So to install it, all we do is we take off our existing roof drain, clean the area around here where we're going to glue it down, and you'll see 6 ports on the back. We have an approved outdoor sealant that we squeeze in, centered above the roof drain, push it down to the membrane, and once it hardens, you're good to go. Once it's properly glued to the membrane, it will withstand winds up to 120 miles an hour. So this is a polyethylene dome, and a lot of people say plastic, maybe it's not as durable. This one you can actually step on it, pops right back, it will not crack. But for those people that want something a little bit more rigid, we did come out with a cast iron version of the RoofGuard. The big difference between this and the plastic one is I cannot glue this one to the membrane. So in order to fasten this to the roof, I have to fasten it to the roof drain body. And there's a lot of different drain manufacturers out there. We give you the hardware that would adapt to anybody's roof drain body. So in theory, this roof drain gets assembled, gets put on, and it looks just like this unit here. So whether you want a cast iron one or a plastic one, we have them both. We do have another application, and if your overflow drain does not look like this and you have a scupper drain, we actually have a unit that we can use for the scupper drain. So this one is adjustable. We can actually slide this to the width we want, push it into the corner, and it glues to the roof just like the last one does. So by switching these over, by not having to worry about these getting clogged, your maintenance guys are not going on top of the roof. So what's happening right now is when these roof drains clog, that maintenance guy has to take a 35-gallon bucket, climb on top of the roof, clean up all those leaves, put them in a bucket, 5 roof drains, 100 roof drains, however many are up there, walk all over the roof, clear it up, and then go back down. This could happen a couple times a week, maybe a couple times a month, depending on where you are. So we feel that this product is going to save you a lot in maintenance. In addition, probably a lot less wear on your roof. So if you have any questions, please give us a call here at Equiparts. Thank you.